my diaper. So he thinks that was the first time you said diaper. Yeah, diaper. Diaper. Mommy, it's the first time you said diaper.
Wow. Not Biper?
No.
Wow.
You don't want to say diaper. Not diaper, just diaper. Not paper, just paper. So he's not going in party. So instead, he's swinging out his spinning. Oh, then, so he don't want to go in the party. He goes his diapers. So he shuts him back. Now in the bath. In the bath. And the bath. So he rolls up his pants. So he rolls up his pants. And the rolls up. No! Yeah, wait, it has to open. It has something in it. Okay, read it. Okay, read it. So they opened that. Had a bunny in it. A bunny in it. Now, go to the page. I read that. We were on. I don't want to read me. So there's his mommy kissing. Yay!
Can you read the other one?